The question is regarding the verse number 10 to 12 of Surah An-Naba, which is chapter 78 of the Holy Quran.
10 to 12, yes.
Yeah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وَجَعَلْنَا نَوْمَكُمْ سُبَاتًا وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ لِبَاسًا وَجَعَلْنَا النَّهَارَ مَعَاشًا. Translation is, and we have made your sleep for rest, and we have made the night as a covering, and we have made the day for the sake of sustenance.
Huzur, my question is, Huzur, in the West, people work day and night. So are they defying the Quran declaration of وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ?
Nobody can work day and night. He has to have some rest. But I think you mean those who do the night duty. Is this what you mean?
Yes.
People at the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam also woke up a long part of the night. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself did, but they did in the service of God. So these people do it for the sake of the worldly wide things. So what is the harm in doing that? Only the question is that night is essentially made for rest, but if you can change order for some exigencies, it can happen. There is no problem. I mean, this verse does not say that you should not work on night. God has made the blessing, so everywhere at night time people go to sleep. This is the normal and routine. Birds also go to sleep, but yet there are some night birds as well. So God has done thing for both day and night separately. General Libasan is translated as covers.
We made the night as a covering.
Libas.
Yes.
Covering, it means what you wear. So night hides many things, many defects and many things, and it hides the crimes of many people and also the good acts of many people. So some people hide at night, and at the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they used to give sadaqah to the poor in the dark of night, so it proved a cover for them. And some people went out for stealing. So everybody is free. Beasts in the jungle sometimes have their prey at night. And similarly, this is all Allah's nature. And everything is filled with something. There is no void neither in the day nor in the night. So this is a general verse which you have referred to. It doesn't mean that one should not work at night.